Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know what version of Windows do I have. To check what version of Windows you have, you can follow these steps. First, you need to open the setting just by pressing Windows plus I. Simply tap on the same time, and after that, you'll get into an interface like this. And what you have to do is go to the system on the top left corner. We could see the system option over here. Click on that. And you could also try clicking the Windows and R option at the same time, and after that, an interface like this open. And what you have to do is simply type down MSIN FO32 and click on the OK option. And over here, what you have to do is on the bottom right over here, type down VER and click on the Find option. And right over here, we could see the which version of Windows do I have. Simply do the steps what I did in the video, and you will get to know of what version of Windows do you have. And this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming updates.